Pulling into Yellowstone. South entrance. Please show ID with the annual passes. Okay. Entered Yellowstone through the south entrance, drove along the Lewis River, lake, and falls, stopped at the West Thumb Geyser Basin, traveled along Yellowstone Lake and River, seeing Hayden Valley and the Mud Volcano, found the road from Canyon Village to Tower Falls closed for the season, then drove to Mammoth Hot Springs, the campground, and the north entrance. Well, on our way up to West Thumb, and there's still a lot of snow out here. May 26th. Pretty. Little River Canyon. See the river cutting through down there. That's gorgeous. Some fresh snow on the pines. Little chilly. About 40 degrees. View of the Snake River coming in from the south entrance. Snow still falling. Absolutely gorgeous. The Lewis Falls coming out of Lewis Lake forms the Lewis River, not the Snake River. Still haven't made the first loop, and it's snowing pretty good. We got here just in time for the blizzard. Stopped here at the West Thumb Geyser Basin to see the geysers, and I guess the elk did too. They were just sitting here enjoying the warmth. See the heated water, just the steam coming off of it. There's another guy over there not far from him. Hey, smart elk. There's the Geyser Basin. And you can start to smell the sulfur here. Pretty cool. And then a lake in the background. Paint. They're calling these the thumb paint pods. Paint pots. I'm glad you're not here for the odor. But when the sun hits that, it's a pretty blue. And here's the Thumb Geyser. Oh, there's another elk. Hanging out here by the Abyss Pool. And the Black Pool. One off over there, but there's no walkway to it. But this is the prettiest one yet. Almost looks like a pool with steps going down into it. We're pulled off to the side here, get a view of Yellowstone Lake. Feel little ducks down there. Must be some kind of little diving ducks. One just went under the water. It's a big lake. Well, you can see some of the results of the fire. Looks like they got this area pretty good. Right here off the Yellowstone River. Pretty river. Go down and take a view of that. Oh, we found some bison alongside the road here. Right here off the Yellowstone River. Haven't arrived yet at Canyon at that junction, so we're still on the Grand Loop, the east side of the Grand Loop. That's the first bison we've seen. See the geysers, and we can smell them. There's one on this side, one up ahead. I don't know if there's a pull-off that we can get that one. Across the river there's some. The Mud Volcano. There's the Mud Volcano. What do you think? Take a mud bath?
No, mud bath.
What's the temperature of this guy?
I don't know, actually. pretty hot to be honest with you. It's, you know, vaporing.
Looks like it. Well, this is Dragon's Mouth Spring.
That's a lot of heat, and there's pressure underground, and there's some water coming up out of there. You know, if that seals itself off completely, that pressure's still there. That could probably result in something we call a hydrothermal explosion.
Well, I was going to continue on down the boardwalk and see the other geysers that you can see smoking in the background there. This big guy detoured me. Didn't seem to deter those people from Alabama, though.
All right,
Pretty amazing, huh?
we play slap the bull.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll go first.
You start. Let me get my camera ready, though.
He can run fast. We might be better off if we started.
Well, I knock him down, and then I'm gone.
Okay. We've already had that discussion, too.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That
They
is.
say they run 40 miles an hour.
Yeah,
40 miles.
an
Oh,
hour.
my goodness. Yeah,
We
okay.
watched them
I'll get a head
yesterday
start.
on Lamar, over in Lamar Valley, across the road yesterday morning.
I don't think the manual covered what to do when the bison are in the middle of the boardwalk. It said stay on a boardwalk. She's just munching away. If she's intending to cross or not. I think I'll check that out some other time. Go back the other way. The bison decided to head down the boardwalk. All these people just ran away from them. Figured I would just mosey. No, I guess they're walking alongside of it. Yeah, they're on the no, I guess they're off to the side of it. Except right there, he's. They're walking into that pasture. And we still haven't made it to the middle of the two loops yet to what is that, Coulter Bay?
Canyon Village.
Canyon Village. Canyon Village. All kinds of bison around. In fact, they're running the visitors out. The north end of the park, just about 4 miles from Mammoth Campground, turned into an entirely different environment. Almost like canyons. Just about to the campground, hitting our first traffic jam. Mountains in the background. This is Mammoth Hot Springs. We just pulled into Mammoth. Just got rid of the camper at the Mammoth campground. Gonna check out the visitor center, and this guy's just munching away on the grass. I don't know if he's avoiding the dandelions or not, but he's.
There's buffalo right in front of the
Oh, and there's buffalo right in front of the visitor center where we're headed. So there's the visitor center. There's the Yellowstone post office. Yeah, I saw. How there's a half a dozen of them. And they go where they want to around here, I guess. And Engineer Avenue. This must be a big campus or something for Yellowstone. We'll have to look that up. We're gonna head over to the visitor center, see some buffalo. What did I say? Half a dozen? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, maybe 15, and a young calf in there. Now the two little calves are playing with a branch there. She wants to play. Well, here's the town of Gardner and the historic Roosevelt Arch. This is I guess we cut over here. Get a photo of that coming back the other way. And also show you the new pay stations to get into the park. They put new ones of those in. Gets film of the old ones before they're gone. It looks like an old west town. Well, back in the day, I guess this was the entry, the north entry to the park, for the benefit and enjoyment of the people. Created by Act of Congress, March 1st, 1872. Come in and enter the park. Now they have a road that bypasses this. 1872, you think they got as many visitors as they... No.
Definitely.
Definitely not. It's already crowded. Just after the Roosevelt Arch, they're putting in new entry stations. I'm assuming the old entry station right here, the log cabin one, will be done away with. That's a shame.